I am a Unity indie game developer. If Unity is well, it's definitely not a beginner thing, but it's something that you code in and make games in. Really cool. Let me get to the basics. Hello? Oh, great, you stuck around for this. Well, Unity is a um C# coding game software thing that you get to code 3D, 2D, AR, VR games, and there's a lot of coding to it. If you want to get a simple player controller, you're gonna have to name it simply player controller, add a game object, an empty empty object, empty game object, add a or any object that is a game object. What is a game object, you might ask? It is a 3D object. Just go into your Hickory, go to cube, cylinder, capsule, or, sphere. So if you ever wanted to code in Unity, I'm going to link the code in the description, but you will not be able to jump. The only way that you can get it to actually work is, here, let me give you a tutorial. Hello everyone, and this is the tutorial that I'm making to introduce myself. This is Unity, and there's a lot of items, and right now this is what my game looks like. Nothing too good about it. Well, as you can see, there's nothing good about it. So let's just run it. It's called froglyload.exe. This is a little tiny sneak peek of what it looks like. Yes, there's a lot of glitching and bugs. I need to fix that. This is the old preview. Now I also have a changed icon. So when you're doing this, you're going to want to, let me give you the basics and I'll just teach you inside of the description. So as you can see, when you click, this is player. There's a check, which is a empty game object, plus create empty. You're going to rename that check with a capital C. Then you're going to add, or you're just going to use your main camera. Then you're going to add a cylinder. You're going to name that player. Then when you click on player, it's a capsule. That's why it looks like this. So make sure you have all these. Do not delete any of these. Add rigid body, and after that you do not need anything else. Well, you do, but you do not need to edit this. First, do this. And yeah, so let me just teach you. Create C# script. Rename it player controller, and let's open it up. Where is it? There we go. Let's open this up. This is Visual Studio 2023. Now you're just going to ignore this. This is Unity code. Now I'm not going to give you everything because once again I'm linking it in the description. Now after you're done doing that, you click Save All, and then you will drag that onto the player. Player, I do not need this, so I'm going to delete this. But yeah, once you have that script in, it's going to pop up like this. Make sure you have all of this. You change your sensitivity to 250. You got to connect your rigid to player. Move force is going to be 3,500. Max move speed is going to be 350. You got to make sure that it's on check. Check sphere. Make sure it's on that. Then check sphere radius 15. Jump force is 1000 and gravity is 1. Now if you wanted to add like a footstep sound like I have in my game, this is going to be on a different tutorial. Now that you have this, you need, well, really nothing except to connect your camera, this camera, and you got to drag them inside. You are dragging inside of your player. Yep, right there. Drag them inside of your player, and after you're done, make a floor. Now, if you plan on using Sketchfab, make sure when you click download to always use the one that starts with an F. I can never remember. But yeah, so build your thing, just build your rooms. And how to add textures, how to get them with color. Instead, let's see what a normal cube looks like. Now let's drag this man up and move him over here. Let's move this guy all the way over here. So now we have, now you have a sphere. Or, no, not a sphere, a cube. Now you might want to ask, how do I add textures? Go to create. Wait, no. Wait, what am I doing? Import new asset. Import new asset. Now you're going to go to images, select your image, import. Now, like, you have all this. See this? All this. Now let's add a texture. You just drag it on, and bam. So now, yeah, you have your cube. I'm not going to use this, so I'm going to put this out of bounds. And there's nothing else to use, so, just have fun, and your brain will figure it out somehow. And if not, then go into my other tutorials on how to actually use the player script and stuff. And yes, the end.